Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQB 250 4MATIC SUV. This is an all-electric SUV from Mercedes-Benz, and today we're going to walk you through a few of the features, give you a quick vehicle walk-around tour, and then if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we have a white exterior, and then we've got a black interior. Steering wheel. Do have power memory seats, both driver and passenger. See mileage currently at 17. Brand new vehicle here. And we do have a push button ignition. So you can see our touchscreen Mercedes-Benz display currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. And of course you can control it using the touchscreen itself. You also have controls right here on your steering wheel. And you've got a touchpad here in the center console as well. Got the climate controls here. You also notice the ambient LED light throughout the vehicle. That's all fully customizable within the menu system as well. Below your climate controls, you've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connections, power adapter, cup holders. You got your center console here, which has that touchpad I mentioned earlier. Also got your dynamic select switch, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And you've also got volume controls, and then some quick selections for vehicle settings, parking cameras, navigation, radio, and whatnot. And we have our shifter. Now, hopping out of the vehicle, we're going to take a look at our rear seats here next. And a quick peek back up front. Don't mind the cardboard there on the driver's side, we're just protecting the floor for you there. And then coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our EQB 250 badging. Got a power opening and closing trunk. Some brand new all-weather mats here for you. And push button to close. So that is a brief overview of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQB 250 4MATIC all-electric SUV. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.